Hey, Melissa here from GirlGoneFishing, and today I am at Sharon Woods Lake for the Cincinnati Kayak Fishing Cincy Lakes tournament. So this tournament, you got to your choice of 4 lakes: Stonelick, Sharon, Winton, and Miami Whitewater. 3 of those are in the Hamilton County Park system and 1 isn't. I'd only ever been on Sharon before, so I went and pre-fished Winton. It didn't go well, and I just decided I'm going to go to Sharon. You know, if you guys watch my channel, I did a frogging video here this year, and hopefully I can get lucky and get some frogfish. So the problem is Hamilton County Park system parks don't open till dawn, so I just got access to the park and it's already lines in, so I got to hurry and get out there and try to get some fish. But it's going to be a good one. Hopefully, let's get some frog bites. And that's the duckweed. See how it's just little tiny round leaves connected by little fibers? Ugh, it's in everything. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh. Wow, that was a big fish. Well, it's 12 o'clock and I am trying really hard to keep a positive attitude, but I don't have any fish on the board. You know, one of the only things that really gets to me is when someone near me does well and I don't, because that really shows that it's not where I am, it's what I'm doing, it's me. This morning I lost a couple bites on a frog, and I lost that one really nice fish next to the boat on a frog, and haven't gotten any bites since then. I'm at the other end of the lake now. I'm trying chatterbaits, weightless fluke, weightless Senko, buzzbait, crankbait, frog. There's nothing. I've got 3 hours. I gotta keep my head in the game and I gotta keep going. So right now I've got a jackhammer chatterbait in white with a little bit of chartreuse on it, and then I've got a mini max chatterbait in bluegill. I've got a green pumpkin Senko. I've got a black frog. No, I don't have a black frog. I've got a white frog because I saw a bunch of shad flipping on the surface. And I've got, oh, I got a fish! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Fish number 1, 13.5, and I am so grateful for this fish. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, fish. I'm not kissing the fish. Not that grateful. A lot less grumpy than I was about 5 minutes ago. But I need more fish, please. So I'm out here fishing with chatterbait and I'm really zoned in, feeling it come through the grass, feeling it ticket and everything. So I'm just super zoned into what's going on under the water. And then I just look down at my kayak and look at this. When the heck did I get a log on my kayak? You think I would have noticed that? Oh my goodness. I'm focused on getting fish. Didn't even notice this coming aboard. One dirty fish. is only 11 inches, but in Cincinnati Kayak Fishing rules, 8 inches and above is a keeper because it's a little bit of a beginner-friendly trail and they want you to feel accomplished. Trust me, with this fish, I feel accomplished. Fish number 3 is 9 1/4. He's tiny, but he counts. So up until about 30 minutes ago, it felt very active out here. There were like little rings, there were little, you know, sounds of something hitting the top, and now there's nothing. Just nothing. So I need the wind to pick up or something because I've got just a smidge over an hour left to make something happen here. And nothing is biting. Nothing is biting anything I'm throwing. So I was back there, that's where I caught my 3 tiny little fish. And my buddy Bert's back there right now. He's sitting in 3rd place in the tournament. So etiquette states if you have someone that is in contention for the win, you kind of like don't pressure them, right? So I don't know if I would give the whole area to a stranger who was sitting in 3rd place, but for Bert, the area is his. I hope he finds a big one and I hope he wins this thing. So I'm gonna move, get out of his way, and find more fish. I have 2 minutes to measure this thing and get a picture submitted. I got fish number 4, 14 1/4, my biggest of the day. Gosh darn it. So I got this guy in just as my 3 o'clock lines out alarm was going off, so there was no time to get a picture. You have to get a picture before it gets to 3:00:00. So, gosh darn it, 1 minute too slow to get my limit, but I'm kind of gonna count it, like in my head, but not really, because I was a minute too late. Darn it! Well, I tried. What's really frustrating is I feel like I just found a school of fish, because I caught 2 out of the same spot within like a minute of each other, and I just saw the back of another fish chasing shad right here. So, oh, yep, there they go. I'm in the middle of a feeding frenzy, and it's after line's out. So, heck. You just cannot miss as many fish as I missed today, or lose the fish that I lost today, and expect to do anything in tournaments. I mean, I tried really hard, and I kept grinding to the very end, just kept going up by like increments, you know, inches, an 11 and a 9, oh my goodness. And oh, that was so frustrating to actually get my 5th fish to the boat just as the line's out alarm went off. So you have to have the picture taken before the clock hits 3:00:00. So I was like, 30 seconds shy of getting my limit today, but I don't know. I tried. I kept moving. I covered some ground. I probably could have moved a little more. I don't know, other than that. So that actually wraps up my Cincinnati Kayak Fishing tournament season for the year. I'm not going to qualify for the Tournament of Champions, so once again for the 3rd year in a row I get to work the media boat with Brian. But it's fun, but one of these years I'm going to be fishing it. Next year I'm going to be fishing it. So I want to say a huge thank you to Brian Tacey for running Cincinnati Kayak Fishing. He puts in all the work behind the scenes so that we can all get out and play, and I really appreciate it. I love this trail. It's what I consider a little more beginner friendly. Like the entry fees are just a little bit lower. There's an 8-inch minimum on the bass instead of a 12-inch minimum, so you can feel more accomplished and submit fish. I mean, like, I appreciate that. Since I submitted a 9-incher and 11-incher today. And a huge thank you to Strictly Sail and Kayak for sponsoring the tournament, sponsoring the trail, and for my Hobie links. I love my kayak. I wouldn't spend the hours on the water that I do if I didn't have such an amazing boat to be out on. So thank you for that, and thanks for always being such great supporters of the kayaking and angling communities. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. All right, I got to start making my way back to the ramp, get the links all broken down and loaded up, and then get home and start editing a video before my work week starts tomorrow. So, all right, thank you guys, and I'll see you on the water on the next one. Oh, look at the poor dirty lynx. Gonna take it right home and give it a bath.